Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Linux Mint XFCE. First, ensure you have downloaded the correct ISO file from the official Linux Mint website. Next, you'll need to create a bootable USB drive. A reliable tool like Bailna Etcher makes this process straightforward. Remember, before you begin any installation, it's crucial to back up all your important files to prevent data loss. This preparation step is vital for a smooth installation. Once your bootable USB is ready, restart your computer and boot from it. You might need to adjust your BIOS or UEFI settings to prioritize USB booting. The Linux Mint installer will then guide you through initial setup, asking for your preferred language and keyboard layout. When prompted for installation type, selecting Erase Disk and Install Linux Mint is common for a fresh installation, but be cautious and understand its implications. After the main installation, you'll create your user account, including a username and a strong password. This is essential for system security. Next, configure your time zone and location settings to ensure accurate system time. Once the installation is complete and you've rebooted into your new system, the very first thing you should do is open the Update Manager and install all available system updates to keep your system secure and stable. With your system updated, you can now install any additional software or proprietary drivers your hardware might require. Explore the Software Manager for popular applications. The XFCE desktop environment is highly customizable, so take some time to personalize its appearance, panels, and settings to suit your workflow. And hey, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your new Linux Mint XFCE system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.